Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use filters on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other tutorials on Tech Talk. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use filters on Instagram. This is one of the best features about Instagram. So first you're going to have to create an Instagram account. And once you have that account created, you're going to download the Instagram app. You'll see that we have this right here on our homepage. And we're going to hit Instagram. Once you are inside, you're going to go to the bottom middle where it has kind of the plus sign right there. You're going to click on that, and that's going to help you create a new post. You'll select a picture to be used, and then you'll hit next. Once you have that picture selected, it will bring you to the filters area. So you can start selecting all these different filters and see which ones you like. You'll see that there are a bunch of filters as far as Instagram goes, but if you would like to add more, you can hit Manage at the very end. And you'll see right here, you can select all these other ones to show up there. Once you've figured out a filter that you like, you can edit that filter even further by going to the Edit button in the bottom right. This helps you adjust a bunch of different options you can see right here to make that filter a little closer to what you're actually looking for. See all these different options right here. Sharpen it. Once you are absolutely done with the photo, you're going to hit next. You're going to write whatever your comment is right here. Hit OK, and then you can hit share. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.